Jessica, and this is who are you?
Yeah.
Eli from Monkey and His Mama, and today we're going to be unboxing a Mickey monthly subscription box. This is the original edition classic box for February 2017, and it is the all ages customization. They do like, you can do it for like an adult male, adult female, just for kids, prince or princess. So this is all ages. This is our first box, so we're real excited to see what's in it. Oh, look how cute. So the packaging is really cute. This little tiny Mickey confetti.
Why is there only a girl toy?
Well, who do you think would like this girl toy?
Me?
So first we have, hold on. First we have a Pop Disney Peasant Belle. And in our house, we're really excited about the new Belle, the new Beauty and the Beast movie. Because I'm a huge Belle fan, and so is Penny. Well, yeah, there's other ones that you could get. But this is cute. I love it. And Emmeline is going to love this one. She'll be flipping her nap. She'll be so excited. You want to see what else is in here? Let me see. Oh, so cute. What is it? A picture frame. It says Disney 2017. And it fits a 4x6. What else? Anything else? Look at that cute confetti. That's cute.
Decoration.
Yeah, do you know what that
Let
is?
me do some magic advice.
Actually, it's a chip clip. Mickey Mouse chip clip with a magnet on the back. So we can keep it on the fridge and not lose that. Leave that in there. It's gonna be really messy. It's gonna be too messy. Promise.
Nothing more.
So this is the this box that we got is $19 plus shipping and handling to get it monthly. But you can also order the boxes like as a gift for someone or one time, and they do other kinds like a theme park box and a snack box, which I was looking at online and it looks really, really good. So that's all.